So this is your funnel management page where you manage all the pages in your funnel. So I'm going to quickly go through the various bits and pieces on this page. Okay, so at the top we have a tutorial page, which ironically is the same funnel as I'm editing here, so I can use that for reference. I will pop back there every now and again just to show you some bits and pieces. And then we create a new page. Creating a new page, you give the page a name, my new page, and then you put the bit at the end of the web address, the URL, where people will access this page. So in this one, I've created a funnel called t4s.site/tutorials, and then I put a bit at the end of it. So if I want a new page for t4s.site/tutorials/new page, I put in new page. Any spaces, it converts to hyphens for you. And then the description, which Google may well pick up and use. So this is good to get this active and very relevant to your page. Bit hard with my new page, but this is my new page and you can get this awesome stuff. Something like that. And then you can change the image of it. This is the image which will appear in social media if it's shared on Facebook and so on. So you want to do that and get the dimensions right for Facebook. I'll leave that as the default one. And then you create. Simple as that. And it pops it down the bottom there. So we'll delete that in a second when I show you how. Okay, so that's the create new page, and funnels you can choose and switch between all the various funnels that you own. Here we have the page title, which again appears in search engines and when shared on Facebook and so on. The web address is where people go to access your page on the internet. And then we have these buttons over here. First one edits the page. Second one is where you set if it's locked or not. This is only relevant really if you're doing a course, so that people would have a landing page, they sign up, pay you money, and then they go to the course pages where they would have to register the first time they go to it and sign in on subsequent visits. So if it was a course, if this was a course, a paid for tutorial course, my landing page would be public where they put in their credit card details and so on, and all the rest I would set as locked. They will then be challenged to log in to access them. So I'll switch that off just for now because I don't want to forget. And the last icon here, generally speaking, these will either be grey if you're doing a normal funnel, and probably normal funnel pages you don't want a menu down the side because it's for courses, so they'd all be grey. If you're running a course, then you would want a menu of all your various pages, and that's where they turn green. First section, first version, if you like, is the burger sign where they're a main page, and then you can choose to indent them if you want to have them pushed over slightly. I'll quickly show you actually. Excuse me. So here, this is the main page, and these ones are indented here. Okay. Look at the how to build a course tutorial. That goes into much more depth about that sort of thing. So, but generally speaking, if it's a normal landing page, it'll be grey, no menus or anything like that. If it's a course page, it'll be either a main page or an indented page if you want to do that. And finally, a drop-down list, which I'll show you down here on my new page, because the first item is edit page, second one, edit the details, duplicate page makes a copy, transfer page, I'll come on to in a second, means you can give your page to somebody else, and then delete page, and I'll delete that new page I created. So edit page, same as the green button there. Edit page details, you can go in and change the title, the bit at the end of the web address, the description, the image associated with it. Duplicate page just makes a copy of it, allows you to know the new details. Transfer page I'll show in a second. Delete page and move to, you can move this page to another one of your funnels. Simple as that. Alrighty, down the bottom here, if it's a course, you will hopefully have members signing up. And this is where you manage the members who have access to your course. So this is not a paid for course, so this is just an example, but as people pay and access your course, your list of members will grow here. This will be a reference number, either a PayPal transaction ID or the customer ID of them in Stripe if you're using credit and debit cards, and you can delete and remove access for this person if you choose. When someone fails to pay you through Stripe or whatever, they don't automatically lose access, because they may be a friend, they may just have mistaken. So you can manage whether or not you remove access if they fail to pay. But again, watch the how to build a course tutorial, goes into more depth, and you can add someone manually if you want to add someone manually. Alrighty, let's go back to my tutorials. Right, transfer page in. So this works with transfer page over here. If I wanted to, I create a lot of pages for other people, so I can build them on my own funnels, and when I'm ready I can give it to them. Simple as that. Or if you share it with other people. So if I wanted to give somebody this page, I would choose transfer page, and it gives me a code. This code I can copy and paste, give to that other person. For them to receive the page, and it will stay in your funnel until they do, they would transfer page in. And they just put the code in, transfer page in, and it will appear in their funnel. I'm in the same funnel I'm transferring out from, so if I transfer page in, it will tell me I'm being a bit daft and I've transferred my own page in. But if I was in a different person with a different funnel, it would pull the page into their account. If you want to give them a copy, no problem, just duplicate your page and then send them a copy. So you might have created a really awesome page and your mate says, hey, can I have a copy? No problem, duplicate it and give them a transfer code. Global code is mostly for Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics code, that sort of thing, because the global code will appear on every page in your funnel. Yeah, which is why Facebook Pixel, Google Analytics, perfect for that sort of thing, because it'll be automatically inserted into every page in your funnel. Edit funnel, not surprisingly, allows you to edit the funnel details, so the name and the bit in the web address after t4s.site, so t4s.site/tutorials. I could rename it to tutorial if I wanted to make it singular. The last checkbox here, by default you get the small little branding bottom right of your funnel pages. That has your affiliate code automatically in it, so anybody who sees your page thinks that's awesome, clicks on it was built with t4s.site. If they join and start paying, you make money without doing anything, in your sleep. Awesome. So yeah, cool. However, if you wanted to hide that branding, you just tick that box. Not available to trial members. If you're a trial member, the branding is always shown. However, if you're paying, you can choose whether to hide it or not. Even if you're a trial, it's still your affiliate ID, so you'll still make money even if you're a trial member. So you don't actually have to pay to join Traffic for Sales if you just want to run an affiliate account. It doesn't cost you anything, all you do is make money, which is nice. Okay, help shows this video, and delete funnel deletes the funnel and all the pages. If you say yes, they've gone. Poof. Don't come crying to me. If you delete them, you've deleted it. Gone. So don't try it out just to see if it works. It works and they've gone. Alrighty, that's it. That's your funnel management page.